In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the replace function here in Google Sheets. Now, the replace function is not the same with our find and replace tool here in the toolbar. Our replace formula would be right here. We have your text, your position, your length, and your new text. Let's try it out with our sample data right here. So I'm going to try and replace the first digit on this series of numbers with a 0. So we're going to do that with the replace function. Start with the equal sign, type in replace, then select your text or enter your text. Our text would be our numbers right here, comma. Next one would be the position. So select the position where you want to change. It's going to be the first position right here, the number 8, then comma. For your length, this would also be the number of spaces that you will be replacing within the text. So we're replacing only one space and comma. Then you're going to put in your new text that you're going to replace the old text with. So that's going to be a 0. And if I press enter, there it is. 82207 has become 02207. If we drag this down, there we have it. We have replaced every first digit in this series of numbers with a 0. Let's try and do that with some text right here. So we have our old text, which is email.com. So we're going to replace the com with a gov, G-O-V. Let's go ahead and do that. Again, start with your equal sign, type in replace, select your text, comma, find your position. So to find a position that you're going to replace, you're going to count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the 7th space, that is where we're going to replace a word. So you're going to put in the number 7 right here, comma, then the length of what you're going to replace. So if I put in 3 right here, comma, then put in gov in quotation, press enter, and there you have it. We also have our suggested autofill, which is correct. And those were easy examples on how to use the replace function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.